Some candies are gone. Can you subtract big numbers? Let's find out together. Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths. Today we learn subtraction within 1000. We will subtract 3-digit numbers, borrow 1, calculate and color, and solve real-life problems. Let's begin.
Look and answer.
Look at the picture. Emma has 189 candies. Emma gives 42 candies to Nam. How many candies are left? We make a subtraction. 189 minus 42. Let's solve together. 9 minus 2 equals 7. 8 minus 4 equals 4. 1 minus 0 equals 1. So 189 minus 42 equals 147. There are 147 candies left. Can you say it? 147 candies. Excellent.
Listen, point and repeat.
Let's learn subtraction.
495 minus 353 equals 142.
495 minus 353. Start with the ones. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Now the tens. 9 minus 5 equals 4. Now the hundreds. 4 minus 3 equals 1. So 495 minus 353 equals 142. 495 minus 353 equals 142. Great job. Now look carefully.
462 minus 325 equals 137.
462 minus 325. First, the ones. 2 minus 5. 2 is smaller than 5. We borrow 1 10. Now 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 5 equals 7. We write 7. 6 tens become 5 tens. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Write 3. The hundreds. 4 minus 3 equals 1. So 462 minus 325 equals 137. 462 minus 325 equals 137. Amazing.
1. Listen and write, then calculate.
Listen and write, then calculate. Number 1.
1.
543 minus 226.
Look carefully. 543 minus 226. Let's subtract. 3 minus 6, we borrow 1 10. 13 minus 6 equals 7. 4 tens become 3 tens. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 5 minus 2 equals 3. So 543 minus 226 equals 317. Great work.
2.
478 minus 125.
Number 2. 8 minus 5 equals 3. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 4 minus 1 equals 3. So 478 minus 125 equals 353. Excellent.
2. Calculate, color and read.
Now let's calculate, color, and read. 179 minus 35. 9 minus 5 equals 4. 7 minus 3 equals 4. 1 minus 0 equals 1. So 179 minus 35 equals 144. Color blue. Great job. Next, 383 minus 25. 3 minus 5. We borrow 1 10. 13 minus 5 equals 8. 8 tens become 7 tens. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 3 minus 0 equals 3. So 383 minus 25 equals 358. Color orange. (381 minus 57). 1 minus 7. We borrow 1 10. 11 minus 7 equals 4. 8 tens become 7 tens. 7 minus 5 equals 2. 3 minus 0 equals 3. So 381 minus 57 equals 324. Color yellow. 452 minus 128 equals 324. Color this part yellow. 381 minus 23 equals 358. Color this part orange. 594 minus 236 equals 358. Color this part orange. 387 minus 63 equals 324. Color this part yellow. The last one. 190 minus 36 equals 154.
Read and answer.
Welcome to Paperclip Challenge. Are you ready? Listen carefully. I have 120 paper clips. I have 147 paper clips. They need 290 in total. How many more paper clips do they need? First, count how many they already have. 120 plus 147. 120 plus 147 equals 267. Now we subtract. 290 minus 267. 290 minus 267 equals 23. So they need 23 more paper clips. Today we learned subtraction within 1000, borrowing 1, solving subtraction problems, and checking answers. You did an amazing job today. See you next time. Goodbye.